Have you ever watched someone fight a battle you can't see? A mind that moves like lightning, emotions that crash like waves, focus that drifts like smoke. Yet inside them lives a brilliance most people never notice. Maybe that someone is your friend, maybe that someone is you. Today I want to share a story. Not to diagnose, not to label, but to help you see ADHD not just as a disorder, but as a misunderstood dimension of the mind. When you understand your mind, you reclaim your power. So let's understand this mind not with fear, but with compassion. Let's enter the world of ADHD where chaos can become creativity and distraction can become direction. There was once a boy, teachers said he was restless, parents said he was not listening. But what nobody saw was that his mind wasn't empty. It was overflowing. While the teacher explained the math, he was imagining galaxies while solving a problem. He saw 100 possibilities. People saw distraction, but they missed the spark. ADHD minds don't wander because they are empty. They wander because they are alive. ADHD isn't just being hyper or unfocused. It's a difference in how brain manages attention, impulse and energy. Imagine having a Ferrari engine with bicycle brakes. Powerful, fast, creative, but hard to control. That's what an ADHD person is. He focuses deeply on what he loves, struggles with things that feel boring and repetitive, feels emotions intensely, thinks faster than he can express, gets overwhelmed easily, has bursts of creativity others can't match. This isn't brokenness, this is wiring differently. ADHD minds move fast, but speed is not the enemy. Unawareness is. When an ADHD person learns to observe their thoughts, instead of being swept away by them, something magical happens. It's like the storm becomes the wind, the chaos becomes the rhythm. The mind becomes a partner, not a prison. It's very interesting, like how you can look at this so differently. Like for example, psychologists often talk about how understanding your story changes your life. Let's reframe the ADHD story for you, okay? You're not lazy, you're not careless. Your brain simply works in waves, not in straight lines. Let's understand that ADHD is not a problem of discipline, it's a problem of structure. So we need to create environments that reduce this friction. I mean, you could do maybe one task visible at a time. You could do something like a minimal clutter, use alarms and reminders, using timers. Body is a great thing. You can use a body before brain technique. If the body is restless, the mind cannot focus. So try maybe like 20 jumping jacks, 10 deep breaths, 30-second stretch. This resets the nervous system. Dopamine is an important one. You could do some dopamine-friendly to-do lists. Break everything into a 90-second micro task. Each checkmark gives a dopamine reward, increasing motivation. For example, instead of cleaning the room in your list, let's have something like pick up clothes, arrange table, throw trash, make bed. Small wins will give you the momentum that you need. Use hyper focus as a superpower. ADHD people can focus deeply on what they love, so use it intentionally. Work in things you enjoy, build routines around your strengths, turn passions into tools. Hyper focus is the gift behind the struggle. Maybe you have been hard on yourself. Maybe you have felt misunderstood. Maybe you have been told you're too much or you're not enough, both at the same time. You're wired for creativity, depth, sensitivity, intuition, and innovation. Your mind does not need to be fixed, it needs to be guided. ADHD is not the absence of attention, overflow of it. And when you learn how to direct the overflow, your life changes. The real question is not whether the mind is fast or slow, but whether you are aware. You become peaceful not by controlling everything, but by understanding it. So to everyone with ADHD, your mind is not your enemy, it is your unexplored universe. Step into it, understand it, guide it, and you will discover greatness hidden beneath the chaos.